All right, so this problem says the town has a population of 20,000 people and grows at 4.5% every year. To the nearest tenth of a year, how long will it be until the population reaches 42,800? So this is exponential growth, and exponential growth follows a certain equation or certain function, which would be this. You have the amount of something at any time is going to be your initial amount times 1 plus r. R is your growth factor. In this case, that's the 4.5%. We'll put that there in a second. And then to the t power, where t is every period. So in this case, we're looking at every year, which means that my t is years. So if I put a 1 in place of that t, that means 1 year later. 2 is 2 years later, and so on. So let's fill in the blanks here with the information that it gave us. So we know that the amounts are basically our population, the number of people, the amount of people at any time. It's going to be my initial population times 1 plus 0.045, that's my 4.5%, to the t power. So notice for this rate here, I had to convert the percent to a decimal. And the way that I did that is by moving this decimal point 2 places to the left, or dividing it by 100. It's the same thing. All right, so here's my formula. I want to figure out when is this equal to, it says 42,800. All right, so what we have to do is solve for t, and I'm going to round to the nearest tenth, it says. All right, so let's solve for t. Let's divide both sides by 20,000. So I have 1.0425 to the t power is equal to 48,000 divided by 20,000. And then we'll solve for t. How do I get the t out of the exponent so that I could solve for it? We have to do a natural log of both sides. So I'm going to do a natural log, 1.045 to the t is equal to the natural log 48,000 divided by 20,000. All right. And then the reason why we do a natural log is because we can take that t in the exponent and move it to the front. It gets it out of the exponent. So we have t is equal to all this stuff again on the right. And then just divide by this ln. On the left here, you get t is equal to this big crazy thing that you have to type into your calculator. So 48,000 divided by 20,000 divided by that ln of 1.045. And if you do that, you'll get, rounding to the nearest tenth, would be 19.9 years later is when you'll hit that population of 42,800.